Good evening. This is All Sports with LD coming back at you with another YouTube post from a YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. When I first heard about Kaepernick working out for the Raiders, at first I didn't believe it, but then as I started reading different things and going to ESPN, which is what this article is from, and my thoughts are that that's great. They gave him a workout. But the problem with this is the fact that Kaepernick has not played NFL football in 6 years. In the article states, the workout was a positive, his arm strength is there, etc., etc. And that's all duly noted. However, he hasn't played live contact pro football in 6 years. So the arm strength and the overall positive of the workout is meaningless, because there's just, in my opinion, he's lost 6 years. There's no way he's going to be able to be an effective starting quarterback, let alone a backup quarterback. See, it's one thing if he missed 1 year, but he missed 6 years of not playing NFL pro live contact. And I don't know of any football player that has missed the number of years that he's missed and has come back to play and be an effective player. It all looks good. It all sounds good from an NFL perspective in terms of their reputation, making it appear that they're giving him a serious look after basically blackballing him for his stance, his protests. But at the end of the day, if I'm a GM, I don't take Kaepernick. Not because I don't like Kaepernick. I think he's a good player when he was active. He was not an exceptional player. He was not a great quarterback. He's a good player. So it's not about not liking him as a person and not liking him as a player. I, as a GM, I wouldn't touch him because of the fact he hasn't played live contact in 6 years. There's just no way that he can be an effective backup quarterback, because the article is saying that they were looking into a backup quarterback for the Raiders, other than the ones that they, I think the one that they got from the Patriots and another one they drafted, I think it said. But he won't be an effective backup quarterback. I mean, his time is going to be off. He hasn't been hit in 6 years. I mean, it's not a recipe for success, because there's just no way. I mean, he's older. He's 34 now. And in the NFL, 34, 35, as a quarterback, you're kind of on now the back end of your career. So he missed that time. It's different if he only lost 1 year. Then I would say, great, this would be a great pickup for the Raiders as a backup quarterback. But he lost 6 years, and you can't get 6 years back. He's 6 years older, and there's just no way that he will be a real pickup as a backup quarterback. I mean, just think about it. And not only that, he's not even in football shape. He may be in physical shape, but there's a difference between being in physical shape versus football shape. And he's not in football shape. From what I understand, he hasn't played any football in 6 years. Whether that be the arena football or whatever type of football, he hasn't played live contact in 6 years. So me as a GM, if I'm looking at this, okay, it was a great workout. We saw some good things for Kaepernick, but unfortunately, he can't help us out because we can't rely on him, being ready to go. Let's say Derek Carr gets injured and they go to him as a backup. Well, you haven't been playing this 6 years, so we don't know how your timing is going to be. We don't know how your arm strength is actually going to be in live contact once you get hit a few times. Will you be able to develop any chemistry with your wide receivers? Will you be able to understand the playbook? And I'm saying these things because I'm not saying he's not an intelligent quarterback. He is. But I'm saying the time that he's been out for 6 years, I'm sorry, I don't see this working out. If I was the Raiders, I would pass. Maybe a team that is not really a contender, maybe they pick him up. Maybe they put him on the practice squad. As a backup quarterback, no, I don't think so. So this is just what I have at this moment. We'll see where this goes. Until next time, have a good one.